So here the pKa value is 3.1427. So then next one, we calculate pH value. Then this pK value are in this equation. So equation because pH is equal to 3.1427 plus log base 10 0.05 divided by 0.15. So after division its value becomes 3.33. So 3.1427 plus log base 10 3.33 and then याचा log काढला तो येतो 0.5224. So it becomes subtract from 3.1427. So pH value is 3.665 or pH value 3.60. Then second one, calculate the pH value of buffer solution composed of 0.1 molar weak base and BOH and 0.2 molar of its salt Ba. So Kb value is given 1.8 into 10 raised to minus 5 for weak base. So given concentration of salt is 0.2 and concentration of acid is 0.1. So Henderson's-Hesbur's equation formula is BOH is equal to pKb plus log base 10 salt upon base. So pKb is equal to minus log base 10 Kb. So first of all we calculate the value pKb. So minus log base 10, the value of Kb is 1.8 into 10 raised to minus 5. So is minus 5 gives here 5 minus log base 10 1.8. So 5 minus log of 1.8 is 0.2553. So the value becomes pKb is equal to 4.7447. Substitute the value of pKb in this equation. First Henderson equation, BOH is equal to 4.7447 plus log base 10 0.2 upon 0.1. So here 4.7447 plus log 2. Log काढला 2 चा 3010. So 4.7447 plus 0.3010. So pOH value is 5.0457. So this is the value of pOH. आपल्याला काढायला सांगितलं आहे pH. So pH minus pOH is equal to 14. So pH is equal to 14 minus pOH. So pH value is 5.0457. So pH is equal to 14 minus 5.0457 and pH value becomes 13.95. Then next point, applications of buffer solution. Buffer solution finds extensive applications in various fields. Some its applications are given below. First, in biochemical system, the pH of blood in our body is maintained at 7.36 to 7.42 due to the H3 carbonic acid plus H2CO3. Okay, SCO3 minus and H2CO3. That is the buffer solution. This mere change of 0.2 molar pH units can be cause death. Okay, म्हणजे 0.2 ना वर खाली झालं तर आपल्याला ब्लडचं जे हे आहे pH मेंटेन pH हा मेंटेनच असायला लागतो. 0.2 चा जरी फरक पडला तर सिव्हिअर होऊ शकतं. द सेकंड वन, द सलाइन सोल्यूशन यूज्ड फॉर intravenous injection must contains buffer system to maintain the proper pH of the blood. Then second, applications in agriculture. The soil get buffered due to the presence of salt such as carbonates, bicarbonates, phosphates and organic acids. The choice of fertilizer depends upon the pH of soil. pH soil जमिनीचा पोत बघून मगच काय केलं जातं पिकं पिकवली जातात. त्याच्यामध्ये हे जेवढे हे आहेत कार्बोनेट्स बायकार्बोनेट्स वगैरे त्याचा हे केलं बफर केलं जातं. ओके. देन इंडस्ट्री. बफर प्ले इम्पॉर्टंट रोल इन पेपर, डाय, इंक, पेंट and drug industries. In medicines, fourth applications, penicillin preparations are stabilized by addition of sodium citrate as buffer. When citric acid is added to milk of magnesia, that is the magnesium hydroxide, magnesium citrate is formed, which is buffer. Then in analytical chemistry, in quantitative analysis of pH of 8 to 10 required for the precipitation of cation of third A group, it is maintained with the use of ammonium hydroxide and NaCl buffer. Then next point is solubility product, in which first upon we study solubility equilibria. The sparingly soluble compounds means compounds those dissolve only slightly in water, that is called as a sparingly soluble. Completely soluble, insoluble and sparingly soluble. That is sparingly soluble, that means they are not completely dissolved in water, they are slightly dissolved in water, that is sparingly soluble. Suppose some powdered sparingly soluble salt such as AgCl is put into water and stirred vigorously. Very small amount of AgCl, that is the silver chloride, dissolved in water to form its saturated solution. Most of the salt remains undissolved. म्हणजे completely soluble होत नाही, तर त्यातले काही particles हे insoluble असतात. That's the sparingly soluble. Thus, solid AgCl is in contact with its saturated solution. AgCl is a strong electrolyte. Hence, the quantity of AgCl that dissolve in water dissociate completely into its constituent ions, that is Ag plus ions and Cl minus ions. A dynamic equilibrium exists between undissociated solid AgCl and dissociated ions, that is Na plus and Cl minus. ह्यांच्यामध्ये इक्विलिब्रियम फॉर्म होतं. कोणामध्ये तर अनडिझॉल्व्ड solid AgCl and dissolved ions Ag plus Cl minus in the saturated solution. This equilibrium is called solubility equilibrium, which is represented as AgCl solid state gives to Ag plus in aqueous medium and Cl minus in aqueous medium. This is AgCl to Ag plus and Cl minus. The equilibrium constant K is equal to concentration of Ag plus into concentration of Cl minus divided by concentration of AgCl. The concentration of undissociated solid AgCl is constant. We may return as concentration of AgCl is equal to constant K dash. In above equation becomes this equation, that is K is equal to concentration of Ag plus into concentration of Cl minus, and the value of Ag concentration of AgCl is K dash. So we add here K dash. So this equation becomes K is equal to concentration of A plus into concentration of Cl minus divided by K dash. Then K into K dash is equal to concentration of Ag plus into concentration of Cl minus. The product K into K dash is another constant and are called as a solubility product. That is the product of concentrations of ions in the saturated solution, which is denoted as a KSP. SP is the solubility product. KSP is equal to concentration of Ag plus ions into concentration of Cl minus ions. For a general salt, solubility becomes BXBY in solid state gives BXB plus YA. XB plus YA minus. The solubility product KSP is equal to concentration of B raised to y प्लस इंटू कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन ऑफ A रेज टू x मायनस आणि कॉन्सन्ट्रेशनच्या वर तुमचा y असणार आहे. दस इन द सॅच्युरेटेड सोल्युशन द स्पॅरिंगली सोल्युबल सॉल्ट the product of equilibrium concentration of the constituent ion raised to the power equal to their respective coefficients in the balanced equilibrium expressions at a given temperature is called as a solubility product. आता याचे प्रत्येकाचे solubility product चे एक्झाम्पल दिलेत. BaSO4 Ba plus SO4 minus. KSP is concentration of Ba plus 2 plus SO4 concentration of SO4 minus 2. Then CaF2 Ca plus 2 plus 2F. KSP is equal to concentration of Ca plus 2 into concentration of F minus 2 and here raised to किंवा square येणार आहे. Okay, this is the raised to power 2. Then like here Bi2 S3 2Bi plus 3S minus 2, here minus 3Bi. So KSP is equal to B plus 3 raised to 2 S minus 2 raised to 3. Then Ca3PO4 twice 2Ca plus 2 plus twice PO4 minus 3. So KSP value solubility product is concentration of Ca plus 2 raised to 3 and PO4 minus 3 raised to 2.